Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix problems with voice messages and microphone in WhatsApp. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you have problems with the microphone in WhatsApp or any other application, then be sure to watch the full video to find out all possible cases and accurately solve your problem. So first of all, go to the settings, then scroll down and find the WhatsApp. Open it and make sure that the microphone is available for use. Great. Then go back up and go into Bluetooth. If you had it turned on, then be sure to turn it off and try it to use the microphone at this stage. Maybe your problem has already been solved. The next thing is that you do not need to record voice messages at the time of the phone conversations. Perhaps the phone does not understand your actions, so first end the conversation and send a voice message. Next, close all active applications. This is done differently in each phone, but I think you understand what I mean. After that, close the WhatsApp, try to log in into it again and send a voice message. If it didn't work out again, you can also try just restarting your phone. Also check if your microphone works in other applications. If not, then it may just be clogged or broken. These are the ways you can try to fix these problems. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial make your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.